All right, I know it's a little bit loud. It's a 2010 Jeep Wrangler with a 3.8. We did a PCM in this thing about 3 weeks ago for no coil trigger. I don't remember which two it was, but half the coil. It's got a waste spark system. Half the coil had no trigger. Bad PCM. We put a PCM in it. We programmed it. Car went out the door and fine. Came back. Came back today. Broke down. Somebody else put a battery and alternator in it. Just to give you an idea. Where are we? We are not charging. Our sense wire. So I'm going to hold this in focus while I do this. The sense wire should be about 3.5 volts. Come on, baby. Get in there. Oh, you know you want to. Should be about 3.5 volts below battery voltage. And it is. Our field wire should be anywhere from 2 to 12, which wakes the alternator up and charges it. And we have ungats. I did go ahead and full field this thing just to make sure, and it does charge. I got this thing up to about 15.5 volts. Stop there. So the alternator does work. We have nothing coming out of the fuel terminal. I will go one step further, just check the terminal at the PCM, make sure we don't have a break. Somehow I doubt it. This will be, once I confirm it, this will be the second bad PCM in 3 weeks. I had another one on another Jeep Grand Cherokee for, oh gosh, I don't remember what, some kind of misfire issue or something. And then after we did it, no, it wasn't a misfire. It had a shorted alternator and burnt the alternator, the starter, and the PCM. Put it in, and then it had a misfire. Turned out it was a bad PCM. Had to go back, had to get another one. This is from the dealer, brand new. So, just because from the dealer doesn't mean it's perfect. I'll keep you posted.